intention counter right that Barios wanted to punish Pacquiao. That's a nice left, and then a jab counter from Barios. So there's an answer from Barios now in the second round.
There's an answer from Barios, the right hand, but Pacquiao's landing some shots too. And then let's not forget, guys, Manny Pacquiao still possesses that power, the old man power people talked about in the sparring sessions, that he was hurting people.
And once again, he's in against a bigger fighter. Barrios' team said they wanted him to come in at around 168 pounds on fight night. Pacquiao nowhere near there.
Remember, Barios hasn't been on the fight at this level exactly, but he's been on the pay-per-view level twice in losses to Gervonta Davis and Keith Thurman, and he talks so much this week about what he learned from those in terms of maturity, education, patience.
Pacquiao was patient and countered with a short right, which is not his MO. He's a big left-hand guy, but you know, early on he was seen as a one-handed puncher.